Children playing with toys. The Netherlands, 1958. A Red Cross Scout boy in Paris, 1918. Children of millworkers play at Germania Park, Holyoke, Massachusetts, October 1941. Little Street Musicians, Paris, 1915. Poor Mother and Children During the Great Depression, Elm Grove, Oklahoma County, USA, August 1936. Children play in Jianqing Township, Taipei City, Taiwan, between 1938 and 1942. The photograph shows the children of the Haydal family, Norway, 1917. Oldest boy earns money to buy bike, Western Washington, Thurston County, Michigan Hill, taken in August 1939. A little girl collects water from a pump on a hot summer day in 1921, Paris, France.